What is up, you guys? It's your boy A, and we are back with another mother-loving video, y'all. So today, I got some handcuffs. Me and Des been talking about doing this 24-hour handcuff challenge for a while, y'all. And I finally want to order some handcuffs. So, I'm going to randomly, I'm just going to go in there and I'm going to hook them up to her. And I'm not even gonna call this pretty much a prank, because it's gonna be a prank on both of us. It's gonna be rough for both of us. So I am just gonna call it a 24-hour handcuff challenge. So I ordered these handcuffs. They some nice quality handcuffs too. They come with 2 keys. But I'm gonna tell her that it didn't come with no keys, y'all. So I'm a handcuff her, and then we have to stay handcuffed for 24 hours. I don't even know if I can handle that. This might be rough for me. So, I'm gonna go handcuff her. I went and got us this breakfast for this mukbang that we supposed to be doing. Oh, I do not like this. For this mukbang, for this like Wendy's breakfast mukbang. So I went and got us some breakfast. What time is it now? I'll tell y'all what time it is. Alright guys, so it is 10:38. It's a little late, but it's 10:38 and Des is still in the bed. So I'm about to go in there with the camera. I'm gonna hook her up. I'm gonna go in there with the camera and put the handcuffs on her. Hey, it's time to get up, Dad. It's time to get up, baby. It's 11 o'clock. Get up.
Yeah.
Come on, get up. Don't we gotta record?
Yeah.
Come on, get up.
I told you I went to sleep late.
Babe, come on, get up.
Babe. So aggravated.
You ready?
No.
Me and probably was talking about doing that handcuffs for 24-hour challenge. Today is that day, baby. Today is them 24 hours.
It's so aggravating.
Come on.
Okay.
Stop twisting it. I mean, yours ain't even tight. Mine tight.
It is tight.
Oh, bro, look how tight mine is. Alright, Des, it's time to get up. Come on, we gotta record our video.
I don't got no lashes on or nothing. You got me in the camera.
But it's the natural, yo.
I messed.
Come on, get up. You cool with it being on this arm? Man, we gonna have to loosen them up because it's tight.
Yo, I look a mess. Come on.
Wait on me. Go ahead, I'm following you. And I got a boo-boo, Dad.
Well, you go boo.
How you feel about that?
My face.
Huh?
I need to wash my face and brush my teeth. I really need to
You don't ever run and wash your face and brush your teeth. That's fine. I got you.
Well, you got me on. Stop. It looks like my grandma.
Hey y'all. So I'm gonna let her brush her. No, man, we should need to see this. We need to see this. Alright, y'all. So I had went to Wendy's this morning to get our food for our next video. That we're also gonna do while we're handcuffed. Because I went to Wendy's to get one of each breakfast sandwiches.
I know you've been up.
And it literally took like a whole hour. They had me parked, right? They wouldn't get no cars out. They had me pull to the side and park. And she gave me my drinks. So I'm like, it's way too early to give me my drinks. Then I'm sitting there for a good 45 minutes. And I still ain't get my food. So I'm like, man, I'm about to pull back to the drive-thru. Pull back to the drive-thru. Now my food just magically done because I came up to the window. So I tried to ask her to remake our drinks because they supposed to have like some type of ice cream and coffee. Long story short, they ended up giving me the wrong drink. They tried to upsize it and everything. You know, try to take, you know, I'm trying to take accountability. But I don't even know how this mukbang gonna go. This food probably all thrown together and old. You ready for our mukbang?
Why have you been up so long?
What you mean? I'm used to getting up. No. It ain't even so long, it's just late.
It's not late.
It is 11 o'clock. Y'all, look at that flour anymore. But yeah, we're gonna let her brush her teeth and I'm gonna pull the camera back up when she get done. Hopefully she look a little bit better than she do right now. Y'all get a good look. Peace. Alright guys, so we are back. Get the camera in focus.
Pretty real close.
That's how close I wanted to get.
Yeah.
So what you gonna do?
I'm gonna put my lashes on.
You should have went to the other bathroom. These lashes about to take forever.
Boy,
I'm ready to eat.
Okay, well, you better wait.
You don't, and you still need to do your hair.
I'm not doing my hair. I'm just gonna put on the hat since you want to put damn handcuffs on.
Man, don't act like you don't want to be this close to me.
Yeah, close to you willingly, not because you're making.
Man, we spending some quality time with each other right now. Boy, look at everything she got to do to put these damn lashes on. Right.
Where's one? I be feeling like you be stealing my tweezers back. Oh, here they are.
I don't even use tweezers.
Y'all, you be stealing my tweezers. Every time I look for them, they'll be in here.
I don't even use.
Oh, babe. Put it up.
Bruh, I don't need no lashes on.
Well, I do. So.
My shit already on fleek.
Boy, bro. Sorry.
Like, why you need lashes on?
Yeah.
You ain't got no clothes on.
I'm about to put clothes on.
That substituted brushing her teeth and putting her lashes on.
Boy, shut up.
So that comes first and then when she brushes her teeth.
No, because y'all, one day I was putting my lashes on and Aaron like, you didn't even brush your teeth yet. And I'm like, I know I didn't brush my teeth, but I wanted to put my lashes on because I had wanted them to dry because like we was in a rush that day and he just
she just be running her mouth. She didn't even have to tell y'all about that.
He brought it up. He don't want me to tell y'all the story.
Bruh, that wasn't even, I didn't say that for you to go tell the story.
Well, I had to tell you.
You try to justify for that and it still don't make sense.
Yes, it does. I need this here.
Here, but just let me do it.
No, hell no.
Nah, you had me turn the camera back on for this.
Y'all, he probably gonna make my lashes look through.
I'm trying to be right here with you. It's tiring for me.
What, your arm tired?
I'm on the camera.
Yo, what is this? What is this little bang hanging out?
Well, you know what that is?
What?
He was up last night. Doing Lord knows what.
Yo, I was creating a website for my hair, so go book with me if you're in Ohio. Oh, I do traveling fees too, so If you want me to come to you, baby, you just let me know where you at.
She lied, yeah.
But no, y'all, I was doing my little website thing last night, and then I couldn't go to sleep. Like, Aaron he just be knocked out. But like, if I'm doing something, sometimes like ever since this quarantine started, like I be having to unwind, like, cause I still be up, like, you know. So I usually just sit
on a regular. She only doing this because she ain't gotta go into work.
Right.
Because if not,
well, yeah, because I've been
like,
going to sleep when I gotta do hair, but I didn't have to do hair today, so I'm like, I can get some stuff done.
When today?
Last night.
Who designs a website at 1 in the morning?
Y'all, I'm one of them people. Let me put this lash on. Hold up.
I'm gonna clean my ears. Ooh. Y'all ever stick something in your ear and you just close your eyes like that? You can't even get view.
You making me mess up.
Come on, man. Today.
Where I'm coming. See, y'all, he want to put these dang on handcuffs on, then he want to rush me.
Yes, this has nothing to do with me at all.
I got glue all on my lid, but you know what?
Let me see.
Listen. You see it?
You did that.
Cause you was moving.
And you got your right hand. I don't even have my right hand.
Let me clean my ears and stuff.
But what you didn't let me do when I let you put your lashes on.
Yo, so.
Look at her. Y'all did their eyes closed.
I'm that type of person where
they don't care what type of person you is.
Yes, they do. I'm their favorite. I don't know what you think.
Yeah.
But I'm the favorite. Team Des, if Des is your favorite. Turn this way. I need to throw this way. Alright, y'all. I'm the type of person where something is on my mind, I gotta get it done right then and there. So let's go. Let me put my clothes on. Alright, guys. We are back on the handcuffs. Got my shirt on. Uh-oh. Got my shirt on. Did you make it too tight, babe? Alright, y'all. So I ain't gonna do my hair. I'm just gonna put a hat on so we can get started with this mukbang. Look at Aaron. He threw already. Got my hat, y'all. Let's go to the bathroom so I can put it on.
Why you gotta come to the bathroom?
Yeah.
Why you gotta come to the bathroom?
To put the hat on? I still gotta comb my hair a little bit. Look a mess, as you can see.
You always look a mess.
Yeah, mama. Oh, I'm about to be looking at mess in this mukbang.
I wish this chain was longer.
Yeah. Being on that side. Y'all, why are you trying to play this?
She sound like she happy to be in here because this is inconvenient. So I think it's time I make it an inconvenience. Yeah.
Stop! I'm not. I'm not happy, but shoot,
she is. She seems like she happy
all day.
Oh, we're about to start right now. My eyes are itching.
Why?
No, I've been itching the past couple days.
Babe, I need to do my edge.
Dude, go on with all that. I don't care about no damn edge.
Watch your mouth. Watch your mouth. Yo, I can't even get my edge right. Like, look how I gotta hold the brush. Whatever at this point.
Nobody's going to see that.
Alright, y'all. We about to get started on our mukbang. That's gonna be another video. The mukbang is actually gonna drop first. So if you're watching this video and you haven't seen the mukbang, you need to go back, check out that mukbang, and then come back and finish this video. So we're about to get started on our mukbang. We need to put our camera on our stand, and we about to get the eating.
Sorry, I missed the eating part. Do the eating part.
Eating. Let's go. Eating. Alright, guys. So we are through with our mukbang. Like I told y'all before, go check out that mukbang. Still got these stupid handcuffs on. Yo, I'm already ready to get out. Like, look at you. Twisting and stuff. Look. Go back the other way. Go back the, yeah, that way. Okay. Alright, y'all. So probably could tell from our background, our living room is a little bit junky. What's wrong, babe?
Nothing.
Oh, so we are about to just go ahead and clean up. It is 12:15 right now. Y'all, we only been in these handcuffs for what, like 2 hours?
Hour and a half, 2 hours.
And we got
let's clean up and then we're gonna chill for a second. And then what else?
I gotta go to the store to get my package, which is really gonna be a disaster because we gotta drive.
Yeah. So we about to clean up right now. Then probably chill, probably not, and then we're gonna go get her package and see how we're gonna get in the car. Who car we gonna drive? It's because like whoever get in, like gonna have to climb over.
So we gotta drive my car.
Yeah. I mean, I don't know because you gotta.
I think it's the front seat is basically the same. Well,
no, I would say like I don't know, like the height difference is probably gonna be harder to climb.
Oh.
Up and then over as opposed to.
I didn't even think about getting in the car. Y'all see, this is just too much.
I mean, this is what it's like when you married.
I'm dead. No. You don't gotta freaking climb over seats to get in the car.
No, but you just always gotta move with somebody else.
Alright, y'all, we about to clean up. I might end up taking this hat off because you know when you clean up, you get hot.
Getting on there, man, my knees.
But I should have put on my waist trainer. Dang, your leg did get ashy.
Come on, let's bust this out.
Y'all, let me tell y'all something. Aaron don't like when I tell y'all stuff, but listen. Before I met Aaron, y'all, can y'all believe he did not wear lotion? And now, since he been with me and he be wearing lotion, he be getting ashy. But before, it was crazy because he never used to get ashy. Now, he be ashy, y'all. Alright guys, so we are done cleaning up. I guess we're about to chill for a little bit. Cause I'm hot. Cause I'm hot. And Aaron's hot of this already. But yeah,
don't speak for me.
I guess we about to just chill, y'all. I'm burning up. But yeah, so we basically
we about to cool off and then we probably.
Alright guys, so we are headed out. We are going to the store and then we are going to my mom's house. Gotta grab my water. We got, where Blaze at? Got Blaze on his leash and we ready to go, y'all. This is about to be crazy trying to get in this car. But you still taking the trash? Hold up, Blaze. You always trying to fool somebody.
Get on this side.
This is about to be crazy stuff. You, or else I'm gonna have to have my arm cocked loose. Cause you on the driving side. I don't even got them.
Are you gonna just drive my car?
Yeah, we can. Lazy got a key. Y'all, so he had, at first we talked about it and we said we was gonna drive my car just because it might be a little easier for us to climb over. But then it was a little challenge because my inner middle console thing is a little bit higher than Aaron's.
No, I was talking about the car.
Oh, you're talking about the car.
And
oh,
you had to
yeah.
get up in the car and over.
Yeah.
Still reaching.
It's muggy out here today, y'all.
Cause it's supposed to rain.
Yo, people probably
you don't come outside.
Right. People probably gonna be looking at us like, why are they handcuffed?
Come on. Then we got this nut with us.
So we climbing over the driver.
Blazes. I can climb over left from your side.
Get to the back.
From the passenger side.
We already over here, babe. We can climb in.
You gonna climb in?
Yeah, here.
Man,
Here we go.
I wanted to be the person to climb in because you was gonna
come on, Blaze, get the back.
Be goofy. It's hot in here too.
It is. These seats.
What? The purse?
How do we get it out?
You can't. Or you gotta go all the way across me.
Yo,
Go
we
ahead.
put the purse inside the hand.
Go ahead.
I ain't wanna pull you.
No, you're right.
Y'all, I can't believe I put the purse inside the handcuffs. Ooh, it's hot. Look at my face shining. Oh, God. Man. Off to save a lot because we gotta get this package. I am praying they didn't put me in a high locker. That's gonna be hell. Yeah, because you is taller. Alright, guys, so we are going into Save a Lot. I need to look up my locker. And of course, they ain't got no buns. I think the Browers.
Right next time you gonna get the Broward.
I'm dead. They just been fussy today. Okay.
Close. It's the handcuffs.
It's the handcuffs. Look, don't fuss at me.
Look.
Now we gotta wait in line.
Now we can't even. You can't even get your package.
Yes, I can get my package.
Now while I'm in line.
Oh no, not while you in line. Well, I think we gotta go in this other aisle, but that man in line too. And then somebody just got behind him.
Oh shit.
Come on. Come on. Y'all, people is looking at us like, why is they handcuffed? That's why Aaron trying to hurry up and get out the stove. He embarrassed. He embarrassed me.
Hey, you look crazy.
He said we look crazy. Look at us, y'all. In public with our handcuffs on. I'm so dead.
Pull this on top of my nose.
Uh-oh. Sorry. Yo, this embarrassing.
We lost the keys.
No, we did it. Yo, who is really watching us? Oh, that's why he put his mask on, y'all, because he didn't want them to know what he looked like. So when he come back, when he come back, they won't be like, oh, I seen him before. She keep getting in trouble, y'all. It is. All right, y'all, we gotta climb back over in his car. You gonna put that in the trunk or the back seat?
Get in the back. Get back.
Okay.
Last try.
Come on.
But he definitely did better than I expected. You know, you.
Woo! Yo, we are out of Save a Lot. We are out of Save a Lot, y'all. That was just a struggle for real. So on we go. Yo, it is time to get out the car again. We ain't ready, y'all. We ain't ready. You ready, babe?
No. The people think I'm a doctor and all that.
I'm dead. All right, y'all. Let's go. Gonna get on Aaron's side and get on my side. Blaze, sit until I get you.
Go ahead, stop up.
Wait. I was stuck on the curb. Get back. You always back. Come on.
But he don't know no better. He don't know no better, man.
Oh, Kenny, is that you, Kenny? Is that you, Kenny? It's gonna make us trip.
Hey, y'all.
Hey, say hey to the vlog.
Hey, vlog. No. No.
Come on, say hey to them.
Vlog.
Your shoe
Hey,
is
vlog.
acting crazy. Hi. Ooh. Alright, y'all gotta switch y'all up. My purse and the camera on this one arm. Ooh.
You know, mess up my rotation. Some taste to the vlog.
Ooh.
Did you go to the store?
Yeah.
Oh.
It's on top.
You still got us on the vlog?
Yes.
Oh.
We gotta do the 24-hour handcuff challenge.
Oh, God.
So we are
Why
hand.
did y'all do it today?
Look. I don't know.
Cause y'all crazy. How did y'all drive?
24 hours.
Aaron drove. We just had to climb over. Yeah, y'all. So we are about to chill and eat and barbecuing. So that's about to be our day while we are handcuffed.
Hey, vlog.
Now she want to say hey. Hey, vlog. I'm hot too. It's hot.
Catch all these, man.
Alright, y'all, yeah, so we about to go to bed, and then I guess we'll just catch you guys in the morning and we'll see how this goes. If you made it this far in this video, thank you guys so much. Don't forget to like, comment, subscribe. Make sure you hit that notification bell so you're notified each and every time we drop a video, because we are dropping them bangers. If you do not want to subscribe, there is a red button down below that says subscribe. Once you hit the button, it's going to turn gray and you have joined the family. So we're going to catch you guys in the morning. What is up, you guys? It is the next morning and here we are, still handcuffed. Aaron acting like he's still sleepy. Y'all, this literally was a struggle. Okay,
Was it all night?
a whole struggle. Literally all night, because Aaron be hot and we be close. Look at him. Aaron, you really was like super hot last night. And I just kept taking the cover off.
I had those shorts.
So I kept taking the cover off you, You just pull it right back, cuddle back up. I'm like, isn't he hot? But yeah, it was a mess, y'all. But this was a fun little challenge. If y'all bored, ain't got nothing to do, give it a try, 'cause it was fun. But that is it for us, y'all. And we are
Dropping shit.
right. We are checking out, y'all. Please don't forget to like, comment, subscribe. Make sure you hit that notification bell so you're notified each and every time that we drop a video, because we are dropping them bangers. And that is it for today, you guys.